Welcome to ClientBranch. Let's get you up and running fast. Here are the first few things to do to kick off your free trial. Quick note first. ClientBranch is for a solo business that wants more personal bookings and clients. If you mainly want property rental bookings, that is StayBranch. In the right place? Let's go. First, open Settings and add your personal or business details. Your name, logo, phone, and time zone. This brands every page, email, and text you send. Back on your dashboard, you will see a Getting Started checklist. Work down it in order. Add a contact, put up a booking form, connect your calendar, and Stripe. Each step ticks off as you finish it. Open the Help Center and read the Quick Start Guide. It walks you through every first step in more detail, at your own pace. We have emailed you a welcome and a few short setup tips for your trial. Check your inbox and your spam folder so you do not miss them. Add us to your contacts. Every feature has a short how-to video on our YouTube channel. Subscribe and watch the ones you need whenever you get stuck. Everything is unlocked free for 15 days with no credit card. The more you set up now, the more you will get from it. That is it. Start with your details, then work down the checklist. Let's get you set up. Welcome aboard.